Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new Facebook account without phone number on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop, now you want to create a new Facebook account without using your own phone number. So let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just select your Google account and you just have to simply open the Facebook website. Just search for Facebook and open the first website from here. Now here, if you already have an account, so you can try to use log in that here, or you can also create a new account. So I'm gonna create a new account here. Just click on create new account, and here you have to enter your information. So you have to enter your name, your date of birth, your gender, your mobile number or email address, and then enter your password. So very first, I'm gonna enter my name here, and then just enter your date of birth. And once you have entered your date of birth, just select your gender. Now on this section, you have to enter your email address. So I have entered my email address here. Now here you have to create a new password. So you can use Google provided strong password, or you can also try to choose your own password. I'm gonna create my new password here. And once you have entered your password, just click on sign up. So it will take some moments and your account will be ready. You just have to wait for this loading and just wait for the next page here. You can see I have successfully created a new account without using my phone number. So in this way, you can easily create a new account on your PC or on your laptop without using your own phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.